Hello everyone, this is section 8.1 part 2, areas and perimeters. So, what we know from this slide is something we're going to use a bunch when we're finding perimeters. And that's simply that the ratio of perimeter to perimeter equals side over side. So if we know the sides, or if we know the perimeters, we can find the sides. If we know the sides, we can find the perimeters. Or if we know two of the sides in a perimeter, we can find the other perimeter. And just a reminder, when you're writing these ratios, it's your image over your pre-image. And when we are looking at a similarity statement like this one, this is your pre-image and your image. So, let's look at this and let's solve. Okay, so it says that the town is planning to build a new swimming pool. An Olympics pool is a rectangle with length of 50 meters and width of 25 meters. So we also know it's this because it's a rectangle. So I can find the perimeter, 50, 50, 100, and another 50, 150. It says they're going to build a new one with a length of 40. So it's going to be a little bit smaller. So here's what we know. We don't know this perimeter, but we're going to use that formula, perimeter over perimeter equals side over side. This is our new one that we're going to. So that's going to be our top numbers. This is where we started. So this is going to be our bottom numbers. And notice the 40 and the 50 are in the same spot. So those are the ones we're going to use. So we've got X for the perimeter of the green, 150. And then we have 40 over 50. So here we go. 140 times 50 times 40 So we do this. We're going to cross multiply. We're going to get 50x equals 6,000. We're going to divide by 50. And we're going to get 120. And that's our perimeter. And let's say they wanted to know what the ratio were of the perimeters. Well, that's 120 over 150, or 4 over 5, if you divide both of these by 30. So that's what we call the perimeter ratio. It's just ratio over ratio of the perimeter. Okay, let's keep going. All right, so we need to find the two perimeters. I'm going to solve this one just a little bit faster. All right, here are the sides we're going to use. And the perimeter is 15, 24, 36, 51, 69. We don't know the perimeter here. So we've got x over 69 equals 10 over 15. The x and the 10 are from the same. They're in the same spot. 69 and the 15, same spot. So we get 15x equals 690. When we cross multiply, divide by 15, we get x equals 46. And that's how you find the perimeter. Nothing else to it. Now, area is slightly different, but also similar. It's area over area equals side over side squared. So now we're just squaring those sides. Here we go. All right. We don't know this area, so it's x. This is where we're going to. This is where we started. So we're going to have area over area equals side over side squared. Since this is where we're going to, these are going to be our top. This is where we're coming from. This is going to be our bottom. So we have x over 36 equals 5 over 10 squared. And remember, 5 squared, 5 times 5, 25. 10 squared is 10 times 10, 100. So this is x over 36 equals 25 over 100. Cross multiply. 100x equals 900. Here we go. That's it. Key thing to remember is this square. That's the difference between areas and perimeters. All right, let's look at one more, and then I think we'll end the video there. Don't know the area here. This is the one we're going to. Sorry, that's where we started. Here's where we're going to. So when we do area over area equals side over side squared, these are going to be the tops. These are going to be the bottoms. All right, so we've got x over 84 equals 21 over 7 squared. So this is 21 times 21, which I believe is 441. 7 times 7, which is 49. So this is x over 84 equals 441 over 7. Cross multiply. And we get 84 times 441. And I made a mistake. Just wondering why I was getting such a big number. This should be 49. Sorry, guys. 49. We're going to divide by 49. I apologize. Seemed a lot bigger than I wanted. And it happens. All right. Looks like we're going to get that x is 756. And there we go. That's finding the perimeters and finding the areas. Just use those formulas, plug in the numbers where they go. We'll see you next video.